Hey, what's going on, Tribe Watchers? Today is what? Let me see. September 29th, 2021. This is going to be our stellar price prediction. We want to come in and give you all a stellar Lumens price prediction to see where the market is going to go. Does the market have the stellar bulls trapped? Is the price expected to continue to go down? I mean, what do you all think the market is going to do into the future? This is how we're able to be dominating the cryptocurrency space, is by predicting where price is going to go. Are the bulls really trapped because we're anticipating the market go down? Or maybe they're not. Maybe the market may just continue to trade sideways, right? Guess what? You can actually see what the market is trying to do just by looking at the price chart for what it is. You don't need to do anything else outside of just looking and interpreting what we have right now on the chart to see where the market is going to go into the future. It's very simple. Don't believe anyone that tries to get you all involved in the bogged down technical indicator jargon, trying to figure out what the RSI means, what does Fibonacci retracement mean, what in the world is stochastics, Bollinger Bands. All of that is garbage. Technical indicator usage is garbage when it comes to predicting price movement. Those are lagging indicators, which means after the price moves, then those indicators will validate the price. But we need to get ahead of the game. We need to make sure that we beat everyone else into these markets so that we can become more profitable and win. So if you guys want to do that, guess what? The doors are open. Join our community. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, because this is what we're all about. Getting ahead of everyone else so that we can win, right? I mean, for example, look at this. We did a price prediction in Stellar right there on September the 10th. We were predicting the price decrease in Stellar while everyone on YouTube was trying to get you all to think that the price was going to continue to go up. We were one of the only places that told you to be prepared for the market in Stellar to go down. And look at it, from September the 10th all the way until September 28th. So 18 days. This market in Stellar has been on a downtrend. Price has been decreasing 22% right there. This is how you're able to profit and win in the market, by predicting where price is going to go into the future. 22% right there in 18 days. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of that. And now let's see, is price really trapping the bulls or the people who wants the price to go up? Because you guys can tell that the price in Stellar has been in a downtrend ever since what? Beginning of the month. Price has been in a downtrend in Stellar. It's probably about time for us to at least get some uplift into the price, because almost every other day the price in Stellar goes down, right? You can see it. So let me show you all what the price chart looks like on the 3-day. Okay, this is the price chart in Stellar on the 3-day time frame. I mean, what do you all think? What is your feeling by looking at this price chart? Do you feel bullish? Do you feel bearish? That simply means bullish means you look for the price to go up. Bearish means you're looking for the price to go down. That's it, right? They try to give us these animal instincts in regards to price movement. I don't know where all that came from, but literally it just means you're looking for a price to go one way, up or down. That's it. Okay. But what do you think? Let's look. The market currently is weak. So obviously whoever participates in this market for Stellar wants the price to go down. Or if that wasn't the case, then price wouldn't be going down, right? People want the market to decrease in Stellar, because if there really was some bullishness or some upward momentum or interest, price would be going up right now, but it's not. So why are we trying to kid ourselves to think that the price in Stellar is a buy, when in fact the market continues to decrease in value? Let's look at this on the 2-day. And let me get your idea again. I mean, what do you all think about this price? Do you think the market in Stellar is about to go up? Do you think it's about to go down? Because the information is already here. Think about it. In one centralized location, which is this price chart, is the battleground. This is the difference between what people think. And it's all here in one spot. So all we have to do is literally look at the price bars and the volume to see, okay, cool. What does the majority of the people think about Stellar right now? And right now they think that the market is weak. Okay. Now, I will give you this, because I can see within these two lines that I got drawn on the chart is that this market wants to hold 25, maybe 26 cents. I can definitely see that. So this will be one outlier that will stop the progression of Stellar going down. 26 cents. Visually, we can tell because the market in Stellar did it all the way back in the beginning of this year, 2021. See, the information is already here. And for us to see the market reject going down and start to go up, it will have to be right now, 26 cents. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of that and keep that in mind as this video continues to play out. 26 cents. Now let me show you the monthly time frame in Stellar. Okay. Because if we're playing this on a monthly perspective, this is complete weakness, right? If you're playing this from a monthly standpoint, this monthly price bar in Stellar is emphatically weak. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. Now, it doesn't mean that throughout the month of October, we won't have bouts of increases in price. Yes, the market will go up, but from a 30-day perspective, the outlook would be for the market to go down in Stellar. Yes, I'm telling you that right now. And the two areas that I'm seeing first is that 26 cent price. That is the best spot for us to see the market hold support and start going up. It's 26 cents. But outside of that, you might don't want to hear it, but it's going to be 23.5 cents all the way back down to 20. Now 20, that is the most extreme price outlook that we can see in the next 30 days in October for Stellar. Now, looking at this from a monthly perspective, that's not even that far. We really can see the price in Stellar come down to 26 in the next 31 days. I'm just saying, I'm already trying to anticipate that happening in Stellar. While everyone is trying to get you all induced and pumped up and hyped up to get that Lambo for Stellar, but the market is still looking weak. We cannot allow this price, if you're looking for the market to go up, in the next day and 14 hours, we need to see the price come up and close above 30 cents. If we close above 30 cents in Stellar in the next day and 14 hours, right, then yeah, the market's going to hold support, and it is showing us emphatically that the buyers are coming back into the market. But right now, don't expect that. We're playing a weakness. So let me go back and do the play again, just like we did on our last video. The market in Stellar is still showing that it's weak. Okay, so the first area that I told you, you guys remember, I said it was 26 cents. We need to see this market really hold 26 cents. Okay, so let me zoom in. The sooner we see this market hold 26 cents, which we've already done so far, the better. So that would be the first spot. So I'll just do 25 cents, right? That's the first area that we need to see this market in Stellar come in and hold support, 25 cents. Second area was 23.5. Okay. That is around 12.59% profitability in anticipated movement to the downside in Stellar. But from a monthly perspective, we can see this price in Stellar come all the way down towards our support area of 20 cents. Now that's 23.25% price move to the downside already. So we're going to play that for the month of October, right? Just for the month. Now, in turn for us to allow this weakness to continue in Stellar, right? The closest area of restriction is right there around 30. Okay, 30 cents. If we cannot even break above 30 cents over the next couple of weeks, 2 weeks, then again, the market is still weak. There's no convincing us. Like, the trap cannot trick us on that. We now know that if price in Stellar cannot break above 30 cents, we're still going to go lower. Okay, so under any pretenses that the market is going to shoot up higher in price, if we don't break above 30 cents or even 31 cents, don't be fooled. Don't be tricked into thinking that we're entering some new bull trend or a new bullish market. No, that's not the case. All right, he's trying to trick us. He's trying to fool us into thinking that the market is ready to go up higher in price. But again, looking at the price chart on these multiple time frames, there's still some weakness involved to the price. So I have given you our updated price prediction into the market in Stellar. Okay. Now I want to know, are you still expecting weakness, or are you expecting the price to start to go up momentarily in Stellar? Let me know. Drop me a comment right now and give me your price prediction in Stellar. And again, it doesn't have to be confusing. It don't. So don't waste your time on using those technical indicators. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.